I started a brand new YouTube channel and in 35 days I did over $7,000. In this video, I want to show you how it's actually not that difficult to do this. So what I've done is I've taken a case study that we make available inside of our coaching program. It is actually this course right here, which I've made for my coaching students to show them how easy this strategy actually is. So I'm going to show you just one video from that case study, and it's going to walk you through what we did in the first 35 days. I think I made this video on the 35th day of this channel, and I'm just going to show you how much we made again in those first 35 days. If you're interested in getting coaching, I would love to help you start and grow your own YouTube channel to do over $10,000 a month and eventually $50,000 a month. But that's a conversation for another day. You can find out more about that in the link in the description. I'll walk through all the details, and then you can hop on a call to see if you qualify to work with myself and my team. But for now, check out this video from the case study. All right, want to do a quick check-in. We are 35 days in. Today is September 19th. First video on this channel was posted August 16th, so that is 35 days in. And I just did a quick calculation of how much was made in the first 35 days, and we are sitting on $7,012.55 and also $272. And I have left a lot of money on the table, which we'll talk about here for just a second. Quick video. I just wanted to kind of give a drop in to show y'all what's possible. $7,000 on the very first month of a channel. First month and like 4 or 5 extra days beyond that is so exciting. There's just no excuse that someone can't use this method to start crushing even out of the gate. I just couldn't be happier with how this, I mean, again, it was just a test, bought the channel, started from scratch. I actually guess I didn't even factor in, it hadn't made much. How much has it made? Like $17 here. So I guess I could throw that in, but I didn't throw that into my calculation. But you could throw in the extra $17 as well. So that plus 272 of my ideal customer is just phenomenal because these are buying leads. Like a lot of these have either already purchased or they've shown interest in multiple. I mean, these are very active leads. There's a lot of buyer intent in the content I've made so far. And really what I haven't even done on this channel yet is really do a lot of value posts. So I think we talked about this a little bit in the previous video. Like I'm using a 3-tier strategy now where I'm doing one that's review, one that's bonuses, and then am going to build out a third one that is more of like a how to use it in a strategic way. So for example, ebook writer bonuses, ebook writer review, and then make $10,000 with ebooks using ebook writer. So that's been the kind of strategy. But I really haven't even gotten into teaching. All of these really are like I had so many things I wanted to get out. A lot about Offer Lab because the launch was happening live. There were a couple other launches that I pretty much did. But yeah, I mean, I got like 100 videos that I want to make, and really haven't even gotten to dive into those because I've been so busy on these. I want to point out too, and this should be super encouraging. Is I say this is 35 days. I literally stopped posting, which is one of the biggest mistakes you can make. Like, I can't make more money when I'm not posting. I almost guarantee I would be over. I can't guarantee it, but there's a good chance I would have gone very close to 10K if I hadn't stopped publishing. You can see that's 12 days that I haven't published. And if you want to know why, it's because I'm trying to get the coaching program live. So it's like, let me get it live. And then once it's live, I can come back and continue posting. I'll be doing that pretty much every day. But just want to show you all what's possible. So again, if you've been thinking about starting a YouTube channel and haven't done it yet, what are you waiting for? I mean, that's month 1. And it's just going to compound from here. Now, I will say, one of my only negatives of the channel so far, and then I'll wrap it up there. But one of my only negatives so far is most of these are short-term plays. So I say most of them, maybe half. No, actually, that's not true. So the only one that's a short-term play, now I take this back, is this right here. This was for a launch, and the launch actually closed. So this probably did like $3,500, $4,000, somewhere in there, dollars. And then a good chunk of it was Offer Lab too. So Offer Lab will continue to make money over time. A lot of these other ones were launches, but so for example, AI Faceless List Builder was a launch, but the product is also
Still live. It's an evergreen product too, so people can find that and buy that later. So yeah, I mean, I'm really excited. We're really going to get into the teaching side. I'm going to do a lot more just general affiliate content, which is going to draw a lot more eyeballs. Um, and just couldn't be happy with how the channel started. There's no excuse you can't do the exact same. So that's where we're at 35 days, and I'll continue to give you guys updates, especially within the next week or so. I should be back to publishing regularly, and we can really see this start compounding in a month or two.